Hey guys, I'm uploading. I know I just uploaded a new video, but I've got to upload this one because, um, yeah. Wait, be right back. So, trading VIP ticket. This is her account. The scammer's account XX Stephanie 4545 MSP. She, oh God, I'm so really angry right now. So she uploaded this video, like making her own YouTube video of I say um of the trade with it, and she took it in a way like she in a way so that it didn't show when I sent her my diamond pack shoes, or it didn't show when I already sent her. So if she so claimed that she kept logging off, so I'm going to show you guys proof that she's lying. So she said that she was logged off. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys something. Yeah. She's trading with me and she's trading with a lot of other people. That's first. We're gonna go here right now. So here, when I messaged her about giving returning my yeah, when I messaged her about returning my ticket, my shoes, or giving me my ticket, she fucking blocked me. Like, bitch, I get it. I already knew she was gonna scam me anyway, but I didn't expect her to make a stupid video for it to look as if she didn't scam me, so that she would be justified. So if she didn't scam me, why did she block me and didn't return my shoe? Why? So Stephanie, if you're watching this, can you please explain why you blocked me? Yeah, she just commented on my video. Wait, we're gonna talk about that later. Can she explain why she blocked me? That's one. Two, I haven't received my shoes that I gave her. I haven't received it back yet, and I was blocked. Why? So now we're gonna analyze her video, and we're gonna see how we're going. I'm gonna prove to you guys that she scammed me. So yeah, in this video, it shows she was about in air quotes to give me the ticket. So see, then all of a sudden she was logging out. There are so many things wrong with this video. One, she could have, when we're trading at a point, when we're trading at a point, she was on mobile, then she came to the computer. So it could have been so obvious that so it um so it could have been easy for her to use her mobile device to log herself in and out, because at a point she kept on switching between maybe if you analyze my last video, you will see that at a point she kept on switching between mobile laptop. So that's a proof against her. Then secondly, okay, let's just assume all she said was true. Then why did she block me? Yeah, does she have an answer to that? Why did she block me? That's second. Then third, if that was really true, she could have just left me, and then after a while, if her scamming in air quotes stopped, she could have returned my shoes or returned the VIP ticket. So this is proof that she scammed me, and she's trying to deny it with this stupid video of hers. Like, what the hell? She thinks she's so smart, but I've been on MSP since 2014 and she's not deceiving me. And my other video, this girl wants me to go first for a trade, but it ain't gonna happen. Maybe I'm gonna talk about her in my next video, but right now I am so mad, and I'm so mad that, oh god, I just, oh, block her, reporter, guys. Thank you so much.